Unang yalam ke BJP Khuborjylla badairu MLA ke penthor umkra uba ALHEC uloong bo UI bagi kertong ki bajap akini ke election kinjap Salit Khlem da yo bantambon kumbalong hakiwe ki election baladap. Habakren bigila pathai Khubor uba ALHEC ulai thuru bakumba ki kershanya ke NPP kumtaru ki khmi linti ba ke NPP kanjap na Shillong kumjuru na tura hakini ke election MP ke bedang Shula Shen ha ka khat khandai tarik mentau benai.
As my personal assessment, I saw it as a very, triangular fight between the NPP, the BPP, and the Congress. Is a triangular fight this time the election, because the election is over. So I have to give you the honest observations. So my honest observation is purely is a triangular fight. So this is all are equal. I cannot say whoever win also with a very, very thin margin. Decided not to set up the candidate. We have no choice. Whatever direction given by the center, the national leader, we have to follow. That's all only. We will see, because this is the last national convention held in Delhi. The clearly message has been given. So we have to follow on that national convention held in Delhi prior to the Lok Sabha elections, announcement of the Lok Sabha elections. It could look like they not convinced their own Karyakata. We had to hold a meeting in my own constituency. I had to hold 5 meetings in my mandal. In other constituency also, I saw every day, every mandal, the BJP is holding the party meeting. They go prachar for the people, Karyakata, to vote for MPP. How do you say that they are not convinced? We are fully convincing. The BJP has given a very clear instructions, directions, and also the message to all the Meghalaya BJP Karyakatas to support the NPP, and accordingly we all the BJP also, we have worked according to the message, the direction, instruction given by the center, national leaders of the BJP to support the NPP. We are confident now also. I'm telling you, we are confident. Since we are supporting NPP will win both the seats of Shillong and Tura.